Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y90, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, what you want to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will give you this little pop-up right here, and after a moment it disappears. Now, whenever you capture a screenshot, all of them will be saved in your gallery. So let's open that up, and in here you can navigate into albums, and this will, or creating a screenshot will create a new album called screenshots. And as you can see in here, you'll find just all the screenshots that I have captured over the time. So this is the one that I have literally just captured. So there we go. That is how we can capture screenshots and also where you can find them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.